Alright, let's look at the homework 7, problem number 2. Alright, so let's evaluate these limits and summation using Maxima. Alright, so number 1, we want to evaluate this limit at infinity. Alright, and so let's open up Maxima here. Alright, so we want to evaluate limits, so we're going to go to Calculus. Alright, then find limit. Alright, so expression was quantity 1 plus 1 over x and raise it to the x. Alright, then the variable is x and the x is going to infinity. So if you go to special, then there's an infinity here. So you could click on infinity and OK. Alright, it's not both sides. Let's see, so we have that. So we just say click OK. Alright. So you can see that the limit of quantity 1 plus 1 over x raised to the x as x approaches infinity is actually e. Remember, this is the definition of e, one of the definitions anyway. Alright, so that was part A. And part B, we want to evaluate this limit. So let's do that. So open up. Alright, same thing. So we go to calculus and find limit. Alright, so in this case, so expression is going to be sine of x minus 2 divided by x squared plus x minus 6. Alright, then variable is x, and x is approaching 2, so this number is 2, and this is from both sides, and click OK. Alright. So you can see that the limit of sine of x minus 2 over x squared plus x minus 6 as x approaches 2 is 1/5. Alright, so that was part B. Alright, so here's part C. So we're going to do this summation. So this is the harmonic series, right? So let's do that. So open up GeoGebra. So go to calculus. And then you want to find sum. Let's see, where is that? Let's see, let's see, go to calculate. Oh, it says calculate sum, so that's why I couldn't find it. Alright, so go to calculus, and then we have a calculate sum, right? So this one. Alright, then we're going to have expression is 1 over n. Then variable is n. You can use k if you want, and it's going from 0 to infinity, right? 0 to infinity, and then you try to see if we can find the answer. All right, so you can see that here we know that the harmonic series is divergent. So actually, Maxima knows that it is divergent. All right, so that was part C. All right, and how about part D? Right, so we have this geometric series and we want to have the sum. So let's compute that. Right, so we can go to calculus and then calculate sum. Alright, so expression is it's a negative 2/3 and raise it to the n. Then n goes to 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity, and then OK. Right, the sum, this geometric series, is going to go to 3/5. Right, so we got that. So that's part D. Right, so this is the number 2 of homework 7, and it's very easy. You can just kind of follow these hints, then you are pretty much there. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.